Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Thursday to you. Another day in the market. Selling off, man. See, we might have a recession looming. See, the next 6 months, oil prices, gas hit, crude oil hit the $110 a barrel, man. So y'all gonna see some increases at the pump. So a lot of spring breaks gonna get canceled. Traveling, airlines, man, it's just ugly out here. Expect for your tickets for your flights to go up. Um, Due to the surge in fuel, I mean, everything that's going to go up in general. Anything that got to be transported, clothes, shoes, food, everything, man. But subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch some recent videos, share my channel also. That's why you want these dividend stocks. So you can keep up with inflation. All right, urgent buys, urgent sales. Did I sell anything? Nope, because the market is down. Did I buy anything? Oh, yeah. Had a lot of buy limit orders go off, buying up some cash flow, and I'm buying up some growth stocks. Start with YMAG, options on the Magnificent Seven. Top 7 companies in the S&P 500 got down to 1226. Definitely will be averaging down in this one. I'm at 1353. Going to get me a piece of that right now. Am I loading up? Nope. But we'll be piecing it together, buying and cashing up at the same time. While we hit here, let's get YMAX. Y'all know these pay out every week. Alright, PMT. This one I'm hitting the swing trade on. I know some of y'all might be down in this one. Got down to $11.54. Shoot back up $11.74 right now. So definitely want to get. I'm at $11.69 in this portfolio, but I did buy some in another one I'm swing trading. Let's go with LFT. Another one I swing trade. I buy it at 128, 132, somewhere in there, and I sell it at 140 plus. Usually I just set the sell limit at 120. Does pay 17.19% dividend yield payout every quarter. Am I buying some more of this? Yes, I am. Average calls 148. We got down to going in at 128 today. And I am using margin, using their money called OPM, other people's money to make money. Don't borrow it, use it, make a couple dollars, give it back. IP International Paper, long-term hold. Came down to $34 and some change. I'm at 31. So not worth me bothering it. But for y'all, just to show you, I don't want to move too fast. You know me, I get to going, got to get up out of here. 5.15% dividend yield, 52 high, 56.64. You know, they show club that closed down a bunch of locations, so they operating leaner, so revenue should look better. YMAG, we did that. KHC, Kraft Foods, definitely buying this for the dividend down to 21.84. And I'm thinking about making my exit. They done merged with the NFL also. Guess they're gonna put them on the commercial. Crab hires NFL deal, test brand spending, and volume recovery story. The guy that says a hole in the sale. Not too many buys. People gonna buy for the dividend. So definitely gonna add on here. But I'm gonna have my sell limit set at $26 to get up out of it. WMT. I mean, it's still a good stock for the dividend. I'm just not into the whole processed food thing. Walmart down $120. Got a 52-week high of 136. Anytime this pull back, I buy. Add on to my position. Got 16.9 shares at 72.70. MSFT Microsoft got down to 388.01. 52-week high is $555.45. We'll get you some of that. You know, that's part of the Magnificent Seven. Got SVOL, $15.82. Definitely wouldn't add it on here. I'm at $16.29 right now. I already brought some fractional shares already today. Not fractional shares, but some whole shares. OXLC got down to $8.03. I'm averaging down right here. Pay 20 cents a share every month. ACHR eVTOLs. You know, they make the drones and gonna be doing all kind of EV self taxis, like flying stuff. They say they're gonna be having it where they can pick you up and fly you in a plane. They making all kind of stuff going on, man, for the future. But this the company that you have to invest in that will be doing it. They got down to $5.79 today. So I definitely got to go get some of that. And we'll be swing trading this stuff also. All right, gonna go with ticker CRF. Down to $6.97, pay 12 cents a share every month. Anytime you can catch this under $7, that's basically a buy. Look, see how many shares I got. I don't want to load up on it. Got ORC, 12 cents a share every month, down to $7.07. Definitely one you can hit a swing trade on. Especially if you get below that $7 mark. Just buy it now, sell it around about $7.40 range, make you 42 cents a share. Make 12 cents a share while you're holding it. OXSQ. $1.70. Go pick up some more of this. Grab me another 5 shares. $3.50 cents a share every month. KLIP. $26.20. Brought a bunch of shares of this today. Give me some fractional shares right here. And I'm going to hit this 2620 one time. Pays 58 to 68 cents a share every month. That back stuff, y'all down in this one, got down to $16.55. If you're out of this one, stay out of it. But if you're in it, lower your average cost. Got some growth stocks right here coming up. Tesla, $379.72. 52-week highs, $498.83. Robinhood, $71.70. buy a couple shares of this. For me to swing trade, gonna sell it around about 78 bucks. In case it doesn't go down. Like I told y'all last week, if you watch the whole videos, I'm gonna be swing trading Robinhood, Webull, SoFi, cause that's what everybody doing with it. Seem like they buying it, rinse and repeating it. Nike 52.59 gonna be another one I'm gonna be swing trading. I knew that was gonna happen. I had a sell order in at $41, but that's okay. I'm gonna sell it around 55, 56 to 55 to probably 56 bucks. If you're gonna lower your average cost at Nike, this is the time for you to do it. I'm down to $59 on my average cost. Yesterday I spent about $3,000 on it on margin. And for me to sell it to lower my average cost. Check a OPP, nice monthly payment here, $762. PCF, $539. $592, that's been coming down. Also pays out every month. Wendy's. I swing traded some of this on yesterday. Set my buy order at 710 real quick. To lower my average cost, did it in another portfolio. Did the same in this one. So waiting on it to hit that, then I'm gonna do it over. Got down to 687 today. I need to do it one more time in my Cash App portfolio. GIS, General Mills, $37.17. 6.46% dividend yield. DEA, another REIT, $21.98. This dollar cost averaging in this thing here. .1% dividend yield. 52-week high, 26.72 when I make my exit. So that IWMY, $17.90. Went back to $18.11. Pay out every week. Market getting beat down, so best be buying. When things go back right, and I won't be buying anything. I'll just be collecting dividends and taking profits. SRLN, $40.02, 8% dividend yield, 25 to 28 cents a share every month. Definitely another one I like. Treat that like a bond. RPT, knowing my average cost on this one. Nice quarterly dividend yield. Flowers Food. Made a swing trade on that last week, buying at the 850 and 836 range. Sold it at $9. Lord, my average cost real quick. They got an average cost of $9.88. And it got a fat dividend yield, 11.67%. Got XLF. Going at $48.52. Get this in my Roth. At $50.87. Definitely got to add at these prices here. Switch back to my individual. It's PYT spit, S&P 500, 1631. At 1638. And I got to add some in my Roth. 1687. While I'm in my Roth, let me get my YMAG. I'm at 12. I'm at 1309. YMAG one time, knock that average cost down. What else I got? I think I got YMAX in this one too. Yeah, I do 5 shares, 884. All right, let me go back to that. Individual. All right, Amazon. $206.06. Go get you some of that. Got a 52-week high of 260. RC Ready Capital. Like I tell y'all, stay out of this one. It's when I'm swing trading. You know, I will be selling this at $2 when it go back up. Just want to lower my average cost. All right, SoFi, Bank of the Future. Definitely one for you to get. 1658. Give me a couple shares of that at that price. We'll be selling them at $19. Netflix, $134 on 52-week high, 92.42. We'll be averaging down in this one. Get me $5 a day to add To my position, Capital One, 52-week high, $260 at 178.72. Get you some of that. Weeble, down to 509. Definitely got to add this on at this price. You want to sell this at 607. WHR Whirlpool, 53.50 for y'all is upside down in this one. 8.19% yield. 52-week high, $111.96, which you're probably going to never see again. Got Broadcom, AVGO down to 308.51. $414.61, 52-week high. TSM, Taiwan Semiconductors, 325.19. 52-week high is 390.20. QQQY, pay out every week, $21.09. $21.25, pay out every week. Need to lower my average cost. Want to get me 500 shares anyway. Ain't no better time than to do it now. I'm going to do the same with IWMY. IWM is the Russell 2000. All right, let's go check our traps and get on out of here. Buying up this cash flow, man. While it's cheap. Lower your average cost and other things also. Damn, GPMT, Granite Point Mortgage getting handled. 48. Add some of this on swing trade. This one, stay out of this play. GPMT 1.48. Like I say, this year I'm going to do a lot more trading, making money on capital gains, capital appreciation. Let's see, anytime Morgan Stanley pull back, I just go add me a little $2, $3 to it. Another big bank not going anywhere. Took some profits on Lionel Basel in another position yesterday. SLVO options on silver coming down. You know, I keep that for a dividend play anyway. me get some MSFO 1213. That's doing options on Microsoft, pay out every week. FLY also pay out every week. So Netflix go back up. So fine. Get some WP 3458. Paid out every week also. TSLY pulling back. Nice little discount here. Notice pay out every week also. AIYY. MSTY. Almost 3% discount for the day. Notice trade with Bitcoin. All right, and that's everything I brought over from a Webull portfolio. Should be good right here with everything. That's it. Easy day of trading. Go get your money.